So, solving the middle layer. In this case, this piece is in the right place, but it's oriented the wrong way. And there is a fancy algorithm you can do to flip it over, but I'm just going to teach you the simpler way. And a simpler way starts with taking pieces from the bottom and putting them up where they belong. So in this case, this blue and orange piece belongs right between the blue and the orange. So because the orange piece lines up with the orange here, we put it on this side. It's one algorithm, but it has a mirror image of itself. So if the blue was up here, we'd have it lined up here and we'd do the mirror image of it. Okay, so when you want to take this piece and put it up here, this is the pattern you do. You make this the face, by the way. The face is always the side where you have the colors that line up. And we're trying to get it go from here to here. Another one, something with no yellow. Here we go, red and the blue. See, the red and the blue one is now going to be a mirror image of the one we just did, because this piece has to go here between the red and the blue. Okay, so same pattern but a mirror image. Let's see what else we got. So, green and orange. This needs to go here. So this color is our face. And we're going to do this pattern. Now in this case, we're going to actually have to take it down. Bring it down to this layer, put another one up there, and then put this piece back in place. So you just do the same pattern, whether either one you want. Alright, so now something else is there. Let's find our piece we're looking for. So the green and the red belongs right here, and because it's going that way, we're going to use this algorithm. And this, of course, is our face, or the front of the cube. Alright, and now the middle layer is solved.